12.7, substituting numbers into a formula. And what we need to do is we need to remember all our different rules whenever we're thinking about our algebraic notation. So if we have w squared, that means w times w. Whereas if we have 7w, that means 7 multiplied by w. So in example 4, we've got p equals 3x plus 2z, and x is equal to 4, z is equal to 6. So p is going to be 3x. Now 3x, just from above, is 3 multiplied by x, but because we know that's equal to 4, we'll write it as 3 times 4. I'm also going to put that inside a set of brackets to make it look a little bit nicer and also to make it a little bit easier to work with. And then 2z again means 2 multiplied by z, so that's 2 multiplied by 6. 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 6 is also 12, so we get that p is equal to 24. Example 5, we've got v equals u plus at. Now, this is actually a formula we use higher up in the school to work out velocity, but we don't know that at this stage. All we know is that u is equal to 2, a is equal to a half, and t is equal to 4. So v, substituting them in, it's just u, so I can replace that with 2, plus a, which is a half. Now the a is beside the t, so there's a symbol in there that's hidden, and that's a multiplication sign, so it's going to be a half multiplied by t, which is 4. Again, I'm going to put that inside a bracket to make that a little bit clearer to work with. V then is going to be 2 plus, now half times 4 is a half of 4, so that's 2, so v works out to be 4. Example 6 in this section is y equals x minus 3t. Again, this is going to be 3 multiplied by t. Now we're told that x is equal to 3 and t is equal to minus 5. Y then is x, which is 3. So just by substituting and replacing the x with 3, minus 3 times, remember the 3 and the t are being multiplied together, and that's 3 times minus 5. Now I'm going to put this inside a bracket to make it easier to work with. So y is going to be 3 take away. Now what we have inside the bracket is 3 multiplied by negative 5. Now to do that we just think of 3 times 5, so that's 15. But then a positive times by a negative is a negative, so that's going to be negative 15. Now in this equation now we have a negative beside a negative, and we should know that a negative and a negative make a positive, so those two become 3 plus 15, so that means that y is equal to 18.